Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use YAML files. YAML, which stands for YAML Ain't Markup Language, is a data serialization standard designed for human readability. It's widely adopted for configuration files, especially in modern development environments. Its clear, concise syntax makes it easy to understand and write, helping you manage complex data structures efficiently. We'll cover its core principles and practical applications. Let's dive into the basic syntax. YAML relies heavily on key-value pairs, where a colon followed by a space separates the key from its value. Indentation, usually 2 spaces, is crucial for defining the hierarchy of your data, replacing brackets or braces. For lists, simply use a hyphen and a space before each item. Most strings don't need quotes, making the files very clean and easy to read. Now let's explore some advanced features. For multi-line strings, you can use the literal block style with a pipe symbol, preserving new lines. The folded block style, using a greater than sign, wraps text while treating new lines as spaces. You can also reuse data with anchors and aliases, marked by an ampersand and an asterisk respectively, saving you from repetitive typing. Comments, starting with a hash, help document your files. YAML is incredibly versatile in practice. It's the backbone for configuration in container orchestration tools like Docker Compose and Kubernetes, defining services and deployments. Many continuous integration and delivery pipelines, including GitHub Actions, use YAML to specify their workflows. Furthermore, automation tools like Ansible rely on YAML for their playbooks. It offers a consistent and readable format for managing complex system configurations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.